And it's now time for the business day. The Bank of Jamaica is holding the policy interest rate at 5.75%. This move is to guide inflation back within its 4 to 6% target range in the shortest possible time.
The bank is also taking special preemptive measures to preserve relative stability in the foreign exchange market. This is because instability in the foreign exchange market can fuel higher prices throughout the economy.
According to BOJ Governor Richard Baz, these special preemptive measures in the foreign exchange market take into consideration the need for increased imports to support rehabilitation and reconstruction.
Since the hurricane, the bank has sold US $210 million into the market. Going forward, in the short term, BOJ will also directly supply the foreign currency need of selected entities in the energy sector to take out of the market these large, lumpy purchases that could distort prices at any given time.
Mr. Baz added that banks are still faced with the challenges following the aftermath of Hurricane Melissa. To make it easier for Jamaicans to do financial transactions electronically and to support vital relief efforts, the BOJ has waived transaction fees from November 3 to December 31, 2025. For the month of November to date, the bank waived real-time gross settlement RTGS transaction fees for over 240,000 customers. To the stock market now, the JSE index advanced by 1,982 points today, while the junior market index declined by 6 points. The winners were led by JMMB Group 10% variable preference shares, Margaritaville Turks, Cargo Handlers, Epley Caribbean Property Fund, and MPC Caribbean Clean Energy. The losers were led by Iron Rock Insurance Company, Margaritaville Turks, 138 Student Living Jamaica, Jetcon Corporation, and Caribbean Assurance Brokers. 17 stocks traded firm. Foreign exchange trading ended with banks and cambios selling the US dollar for an average $160.05. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $115.49. The pound is going for $212.85, while the euro is selling for an average $189.43. And that's it for the business day. Regional and international stories are next.
The Business Day on Mondays, brought to you by